Hello, my name is Isaiah Herrera Gonzalez, and today I'm going to introduce you to the topics describing people. Her name is Kiara. She is 7 years old. She is tall, thin, and young. She has got long, straight, and black hair. Her eyes are big and black. She likes dancing, chatting with her cousin, playing video games, and listening to music. She dislikes eating fish and doing her homework. She is an elegant, intelligent, and beautiful girl. Camila San. She is Camila. She is 12 years old. She is tall, thin, and young. Her hair is long, wavy, and black. Her eyes are small and black. She likes dancing, listening K-pop, and watching TV. She doesn't like listening reggae music and doing her homework. She is an elegant, intelligent, and beautiful girl. Her name is Daniela. She is 9 years old. She is tall, fat, and young. Her hair is long, straight, and black. Her eyes are big and black. She likes style, dancing pop music, and playing video games. She dislikes eat sweet and saucy. She is an intelligent, elegant, and beautiful girl. She is Fernanda. She is 4 years old. She is tall, thin, and young. Her hair is long, wavy, and black. Her eyes are big and black. She likes dancing, skating, swimming, and singing songs. She doesn't like doing her homework. She's an intelligent and beautiful girl. Thank you.